Erastus Edung ethekon vamwe na angi ithanthatu nimaithw'a Kithitu kutwika Makomishena ma nzama ya unyuvani na mivaka Iebc kyathi kila kyatwaiiwa kotini wa Supreme. Atongoesye iseso Chief Justice Martha Koome niwakulya Edung vamwe na Makomishena angi kuthukuma wiawo kwa uikiiku mate kulikiliilwa ni mundu vamwe na kuatiia katiba ka Kenya na kutungiia muikiio wa Iebc kula enenthi kwa kuikiithia unyuvani niwaithw'a wa uwo na aki kavinani kanthi yende kuyumbanisya usakwani munene wa 2017 Ben Mosao no kutwambisya vilingi wa maovo.
Erastus Edung ethekon na makamishona angi ithanthatu niwaithw'a Kithitu kyawia kutwika mwene kivila mwe wa nzama ya usakwani na mivaka va Kenya Iebc kyathi kila kyatongoesye ni musili munene wa makuani Chief Justice Martha Koome mawakoni makoti wa Supreme musini wa ilovi.
I, Erastus Edung ethekon, having been appointed the chairperson of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, do solemnly swear that I will at all times obey, respect, uphold the Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will faithfully and fully, impartially, and to the best of my ability, discharge the trust and perform the functions and exercise the powers devolving upon me by virtue of this appointment, without fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, or prejudice. So help me God. Today marks the beginning of our service to the people of Kenya. We must approach this sacred duty, therefore, with the urgency and integrity and absolute commitment, guided by our Constitution and the laws of the Republic, but more importantly, guided by the expectations of every Kenyan.
Kavindani ka musili munene wa makuani Martha Koome niwakulya Makomishena ya kuthukuma kwa uikiiku na kuatiia miao ya Kenya ivindani yeme kwiyumbanisya usakwani munene wa 2027.
Now that the commission has been reconstituted, it is imperative that you move with speed to undertake the critical constitutional and administrative functions that have remained in abeyance and to begin in earnest and timely preparations for the 2027 general elections. The Iebc, as a constitutionally independent body, is not merely an election managing institution. It is one of the cornerstones of Kenya's constitutional democracy. Your work directly impacts the legitimacy of the government, the stability of our nation, and the confidence of the people in the rule of law and democratic governance.
Koome ingiasya Kenya mena wikwacho munene kuma kwa makomishona aya na nzama yonthe ya Iebc na nimailite kuthukuma kwa umelu kutungiia muikiio wa Kenya mutalatalani wa usakwani.
The cry from every corner of our nation is for integrity. The cry from every corner is for transparency, accountability, and justice. And it is against this backdrop that your mandate acquires even greater weight and urgency. Our country must be built on the bedrock of true democracy, and it is your duty, Honorable Chair and Commissioners, to ensure that this is preserved and it is honored.
Vilingi wa maovo Mutongoi TV nyeneta wa Ben Mosao.